ready. They go, Mark. Go, go.
Okay, just remember po, parents and correct the protocols,
They go, Mark.
okay, para po di tayo nagpapasok natin sa stage. We just want to proceed and give the respective graduation medals sa mga nagtapos ng kanilang graduation stream. And then you can proceed sa photo wall for your own